Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've deleted TikTok. But don't worry, we're going to figure out exactly how to get it and your account back safe and sound. So what happened? Maybe you were just trying to clean up your home screen. You tap that little X, and then poof, the TikTok app just vanished. It's a surprisingly easy mistake to make, honestly.
But okay, the real panic probably set in when you went to the App Store to grab it again, and it's not there. You're not going crazy. There's actually a reason that might have happened.
But here's the good news. You can absolutely get it back. And in pretty much every scenario, your account, all your videos, even your drafts are all perfectly safe. I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do.
First things first, let's just clear up one major point of confusion. Because if you looked for TikTok in the App Store and couldn't find it, well, there might be a bigger reason why, and it really helps to know the backstory.
So you might remember that for a little while, TikTok was actually taken down from the US App Stores. That meant no new downloads, which you can imagine caused a lot of confusion. But the most important thing to know is that this was temporary. As of February 13th, it's fully back. So that part of the problem at least is solved.
Okay, so now we know the app itself is definitely available. The next step is to figure out exactly what happened on your phone. See, deleting TikTok can mean a few different things, and the right fix really depends on your specific situation. So let's do a quick diagnosis. Think about what you did. Did you go deep into your TikTok settings and purposefully deactivate your entire profile? That's scenario one. Or did you just press and hold the app icon and remove it from your screen? That's scenario two, and it's the most common one. And hey, for you iPhone users, there's a third option. Did you notice a little cloud symbol next to the app's name? Once you know which one of these sounds right, we can get you the right solution. Right, so if you saw that little cloud icon, you've met a feature called app offloading. It can be a little confusing, but it's actually a pretty smart iPhone feature. To save you storage space, your phone just removes apps you don't use very often. But, and this is the key part, it keeps all your personal data, your login info, even your drafts, totally safe, just waiting for you to come back. All right, diagnosis complete. You know what the problem is. Now, let's get to the fix. Here are the step-by-step instructions to get you back to scrolling in no time.
Now, if you're in that first group, the one where you deleted your entire account, this is the most important number you need to remember. 30. You have exactly 30 days to change your mind and reactivate your account. After that window closes, everything, your profile, your videos, all of it is gone for good. So if you're still inside that 30-day window, you're in luck. The process is super simple. Just re-download the app from the store, go to log in with your old username and password, and you should get a screen that asks if you want to reactivate. Just tap that button and bam, you're back in business.
Now for the most common case. You just deleted the app from your screen. Here's a pro tip. Don't just search the store for it. Instead, go right to your download history. On an iPhone, you open the App Store, tap your profile pic, and go to Purchased. On Android, open the Play Store, hit the menu, and go to My Apps and Games, then look in your library. Since you've downloaded it before, it'll be waiting right there for an easy reinstall. No searching needed. And what if your app was just offloaded? Well, this is the easiest fix of all. Seriously, just find that icon on your home screen with the little cloud symbol next to it and tap it. That's it. Your iPhone will handle the rest. And hey, if you want to stop this from happening again, just go into your iPhone settings, find the App Store section, and you can turn off the Offload Unused Apps feature.
Okay, now this is really important. While you're looking for solutions, you might stumble across some bad advice online. We have to talk about this because this is a critical warning. You might see some videos or articles telling you to use these complicated workarounds like a VPN to download an app. You need to be extremely skeptical of this kind of advice.
Let me just break it down for you. Here's the bottom line. Using a VPN to fake your location to get an app is super risky. It can get you in trouble with the App Store's rules, and it can open you up to some serious security problems. But most importantly, it is completely unnecessary. The app is back in the official stores. The safe, official way is always the right choice. Awesome. So you have the app back on your phone, but hey, our job isn't quite done yet. Let's take a minute to talk about making sure your account is secure so you never have to worry about losing access again.
I know, this is Security 101, but it is so important. Please use a password for TikTok that you don't use for anything else. And turn on two-factor authentication, where it sends a code to your phone to log in. That gives you a huge security boost. And it goes without saying, never give your password to anyone or any other sketchy app.
Now, if you're a parent helping your kid with this, TikTok has a really great tool called Family Pairing. It lets you link your account to your child's to help manage their settings and just promote safer habits online. It's a fantastic way to stay involved and have those important conversations.
And finally, let's protect all your hard work. If you've got a video you really love or a draft you spent hours perfecting, just save a copy directly to your phone. Think of it as your own personal backup. And, it's not a bad idea to have your username and the email you used for the account written down somewhere safe, just in case you ever need it.
And that's it. That's how you get your TikTok back. But remember, getting the app back on your phone is just step one. The real question is, what's one thing you're going to do today to make your account truly secure for the future? Thanks for joining us on The Explainer.